Start the next question. Question number 32. Question number 32. In this question, this is question number 32 of the DKOL book. In this, P and Q are partners sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 2:3. So the old ratio is 3:2. In this, the old ratio is 2:3. R and S were admitted as a new and profit sharing ratio between the new partner is 3:4:3:2. So the new profit sharing ratio is equal to 3:4:3:2. Goodwill of the firm be valued 3 lakh. Value of firm goodwill. Value of firm's goodwill is equal to 3 lakh. R brings required goodwill and 2 lakh cash for capital. S bring 1 lakh cash and motor vehicle 80,000 as his capital in addition to the required amount of goodwill in cash. So the necessary journal entry at the time of admission of our new partners. So first of all, we calculate the sacrificing ratio at the time of the admission. When the old ratio and the new ratio are given, so we are calculating the sacrificing ratio. So sacrificing ratio is equal to old minus new. So the old partners are P and Q are old partners. So the old sacrificing ratio between P and Q. Sacrificing ratio between P and Q is the old share 2/5, 3/5 minus 3 or 3 6, 4 10 12, 4/12, 4/12, 3/12, 4/12. LCM is 12 5 is 60. So the 9:16 is the sacrificing ratio. This is calculated. So the goodwill is distributed in the sacrificing ratio 9:16. So in this question, first of all, we calculate the share of goodwill bought by which the new partner S is not bought. So first of all, we calculate the share of goodwill bought by new partners R and S. So what the amount they have bought, that can be calculated with the value of the firm goodwill. So the ratio is 3/12, 4/12, 3/12, 2/12. These two are the new partners R and S. These two are the new partners. So our share of goodwill, our share of goodwill is equal to 3/12 into 3 lakh is equal to 75,000. In the next hand, S share of S share of goodwill is equal to 2 by 12 into 3 lakh, 2 6 are 12, 6 5 are 30. So the share of goodwill is 50,000 and the share of this goodwill is 75,000. Both are bought in cash, while the partner R and the partner S bought his share of goodwill 75,000 and 25,000 in cash. So after that we are passing a journal entry in this question. Whatever the information are given, they are put up in the journal entry. So the first journal entry is for the R partners. R bring 2 lakh as capital and the premium for goodwill in cash. So the value of firm goodwill is 3 lakh and the R share of goodwill is 3 by 12. So the R share of goodwill is 75,000 and this is bought in cash. So the premium for goodwill is 75,000. The sum of 2 lakh and 75,000 total amount bought in cash. Here you write bank or cash, whatever the requirement you have write it. Cash or bank, both are right. So cash account debited, R's capital account debited to premium for goodwill. The narration is R bring his share of capital and goodwill in cash. In the other hand, S is also the new partner and he is admitted. In this question, R and S are two new partners which are admitted in the business. So the partnership is there. Cash account debited, motor vehicle. In this, the new partner brings motor vehicle there. So in this, S bought his share of goodwill and capital and he is also bought in the business introduced as motor vehicle. So motor vehicle is the asset and when this is introducing in business, so assets will be debited. So the motor vehicle is debited by 80,000. Cash account debited, motor vehicle account debited to S capital. In this question, it is given that the new partner S bought his share of capital 1 lakh in cash and motor vehicle 80,000. It means this 1,80,000 is as 1 lakh plus 80,000. 1 lakh cash and 80,000 motor vehicle. The total amount as capital is 1,80,000. And the premium for goodwill of his share. So the total value of the firm goodwill is 3 lakh and S share of goodwill is 2 by 12 of 3 lakh. So the goodwill is 50,000. So he's bought 50,000 goodwill in cash. So the 50,000 goodwill is there. And 80,000 asset is debited. So the total of the credit can be subtracted from the motor vehicle. So it means the new partner bought cash 1,50,000. This is 1,50,000 is the balancing figure, while we are adding at the credit side and subtracting the motor vehicle at the debit side. So the remaining balance 1,50,000 is there. After that, the total value of goodwill bought by both the partners is added. There 1,50,000 and motor vehicle 80,000. The total value of the goodwill bought by R and S is 75,000 bought by R and 50,000 bought by S. Total goodwill bought in cash is 1,25,000. And this 1,25,000 is distributed between old partners in their sacrificing ratio. So this is the partners and the goodwill is distributed between the remaining partners in their sacrificing ratio. So this 75,000 plus 50,000, the total is 1,25,000. And this is good distributed in their sacrificing ratio, and sacrificing ratio is calculated 9 by 16. So the R share is 9 by 25 and S is 16 by 25. 25 5s are 125, 9 5s are 45,000 and 25 5s are 125 and 5,000 into 16, 80,000. So this is a distribution of goodwill between P and Q. So the journal entry is premium for goodwill account debited to P's capital account to Q's capital account. So this is a distribution of the goodwill got by the new partners R and S. Thank you and have a nice day.